And one of the tremendous things about Jayco's range of vans and motorhomes is its variety. And Brisbane Camperland have got the whole family here together this weekend. In fact, we've got 70 vans and motorhomes on display at the very top of the tree, tucked away in the back left-hand corner of the RICC building. Take a look at this Silverline. This is Jayco's premium Premier range. There are about 7 different variations of this van available for you to look at. This is the 25-footer. Take a look at it. It's got the J-Tech independent suspension. It's an absolute space machine inside it. It is absolutely amazing inside and out. Take a look at the mirror behind me. It gives this feeling of space like you've never felt in a van before. It's just so beautifully laid out. It's like being in an apartment, of course, an apartment that you can take anywhere. We look forward to seeing you on the Jayco Brisbane Camperland stand at this year's Brisbane Caravan Camping and Touring Supershow, June 6 to 11 at the R&A Showgrounds. See you there.